Welcome back to the channel, Tech Unbox Pro. Today we are taking a detailed look at the Infinix Note 60 Pro Max 2026, a smartphone that is expected to redefine what we can expect from a premium mid-range flagship. Starting with the design, the Infinix Note 60 Pro Max comes with a large, bold, flagship-sized body that feels solid and premium in the hand. The flat frame and clean finish give it a modern look, while the slim bezels on the front make the display feel immersive. This phone is clearly designed for users who prefer a big screen and a strong presence. On the front, we get a bright AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, delivering smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and excellent visibility even in bright environments. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or browsing social media, the display quality is one of the strongest highlights of the Infinix Note 60 Pro Max. Performance-wise, this phone is expected to feature a next-generation processor optimized for Android 2026. Daily tasks feel fast and responsive, multitasking is smooth, and gaming performance is stable even during long sessions. Combined with generous RAM and storage options, this device is built for power users. The camera system on the Infinix Note 60 Pro Max is another major upgrade. The main camera is designed to capture sharp photos with accurate colors, while improved night mode helps deliver better low-light results. Video recording is smoother, making this phone suitable for content creators and vloggers. Battery life is a strong point here as well. The phone packs a large battery that easily lasts a full day or more, even with heavy usage. Fast charging support ensures that you can quickly top up and get back to using your phone without long waiting times. On the software side, the Infinix Note 60 Pro Max runs on a clean and optimized Android experience with useful AI features, smart battery management, and improved security. The interface feels smooth, modern, and user-friendly. In terms of pricing, the Infinix Note 60 Pro Max is expected to offer flagship-level features at a competitive price, making it a strong choice for users who want premium performance without paying a premium price. Overall, the Infinix Note 60 Pro Max 2026 looks like a complete package with a powerful display, strong performance, impressive battery life, and a modern design. If you're planning to upgrade in 2026, this phone is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, make sure to subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more latest smartphone reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.